In this video, I'm going to show you how to level the horizon in a photo. The program I'm using is the GIMP, a new image manipulation program. It's free on Windows, Mac, and Linux, so I recommend it. You can see the image here. I have the horizontal, or the horizon is not horizontal. That's where we get horizon from, the horizontal. So I want to rotate it. To be sure that I'm getting it level, I'm going to click in the ruler at the top here and drag down a guide. And this doesn't make it part of the image, it's just a guide. And then up here in the top left, I'm going to use the rotate tool. So I click, and then I can click and drag, and it just rotates the image. And that looks about level to me. So then I click the rotate button in that tool pop-up, and there we are. But now you can see we have these black corners, so we want to crop it. So I'm going to grab the crop tool in the top left, and I'm going to start here in this corner and just drag over to this corner. But then you can see we still have some black on the sides. So if I hover over the edge, you can see this yellow box appears. So I'm going to grab that, drag it over until that bottom left corner doesn't have any black in it, and then I do the same over on this side for the top right. And then you click anywhere in the picture, and it crops. Now we have lost a little of the photo, but not too much, and the subject is still there. And so then you can right-click and go to File, and either overwrite the original or export as a new image. And that's it.